So we know that there are two different kinds of optimization which we can do. The first was to maximize the tool life or minimize the cost of tool. And second was to maximize the performance or productivity. So here we'll start with the optimized machining cost or minimal machining cost. Optimize means minimum or maximum, but the cost should always be minimized. So we'll minimize the machining cost or tool cost. So the two parameters or two variables we have known is the speed, the spindle speed or the velocity, and the feed rate. So we are going to optimize with respect to those two parameters. So what can we do? The total cost expression we have, and they have the all other constants, the cost constants, lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3, lambda 4, the diameter, the length of tool, the k that is coming from the k is coming from the material property. So n and m are also coming from material property. So all other things are already known. The only parameter left are velocity and feed in all the expressions for R, that are R1, R2, R3, R4, R5. All the expressions is only this parameter V and F, which are unknown, or they are the parameters while we do the machining. So let's look at them. So those are the two variables. So we want to optimize and get the values of those two variables, which will give me optimized machining cost or minimum machining cost. So first will be del R by del V, that is V optimization. So I'm taking partial derivatives because there are two variables. So partial derivative of R with respect to velocity will give me the optimum velocity. And when I going to equate it with 0, I'm getting the expression as this. So this is the final expression. You need to understand this. Need not remember this. This will surely be given in all the exams. So V optimum will be equal to nk lambda 1 upon 1 minus n f raised to 1 by m lambda 1 tct. This is a tool changing time plus lambda 4. So and lambda del R by del F, that is the optimization for feed rate, will give me the optimum feed rate when I equate it to 0. So the optimum feed rate value is this, that is mk lambda 1 upon 1 minus m v raised to 1 by n lambda 1 tct plus lambda 4 raised to m. So you just see what are the changes. Here we have n, here we have m, here n, m. The velocity and the feed have changed. So for V optimum formula, we have feed over here, and feed is always occupied with 1 by n. So we have already seen over here also, and in above equations also, the feed is always having a exponent power of 1 by n. So we will have a 1 by m with feed, and for F optimum, we have velocity in denominator, which has the exponent as 1 by n. This factor remains same, and since we are using n over here, we'll have n. When we have m over here, we have m. So the velocity was occupied or was having 1 by n. So n is associated with velocity, f is associated with m, or m is associated with f. So when we want the expression for V optimum, we'll have n everywhere, and n over here also. With F optimum, we'll have m in the formulas. So there are two variables which are the two independent variables, and the one result is the cost, which is the minimum cost or minimum tool cost, tool changing cost. So these are the two expressions. In the next video, I'll explain about how or what are the inferences from this velocity and optimum velocity and optimum feed rate. Thank you.